Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a little while since my last long video, so today I wanted to bring you something fun. Quick comparison of 4 camps I have tried on my channel so far. Let's see which one was actually the best. First up is Camp 1. This camp was all about the environment, peaceful, quiet, and really easy to set up. I chose this moment because it shows exactly what I loved. Yeah, the light, the sound of nature, and the calm atmosphere. If you enjoy relaxing, low effort camping, this one might already be your winner. Please leave me the comment. Clip 2. Okay, now let's move to Camp 2. This one was more about adventure. More gear to handle, more challenges, but also more fun. I picked this clip because it shows the energy and the moment that made the experience memorable. If you like more action and activity, Camp 2 definitely had that vibe. Next is Camp 3. This one had the best views out of all of 4 camps. I chose this moment because the says everything. If you care about aesthetics, photography, or just want something visually stunning, Camp 3 stand out big time. And Clip 4. And finally Camp 4. This camp was the most comfortable. Better lighting, better setup, and an overall smoother experience. The clip you are seeing now represents that comfort and how easy everything felt. So, which camp was the best? For me, Camp 4 takes the top spot because it had the perfect balance of atmosphere, comfort, and experience. But I want to know what you think. Drop a comment with your favorite camp and why.